Sucraid is expensive. In some cases, it can cost tens of thousands of dollars per year. So it's no surprise that people with sucrase deficiency are searching for alternatives. One option getting a lot of attention is invertase. Like Sucraid, invertase is an enzyme that breaks down sucrose into glucose and fructose. But does it actually work? A 2025 study looked at 9 children with sucrase deficiency. The results were promising. 8 of the 9 patients experienced improvements in diarrhea frequency or stool consistency. Researchers also found that when most patients stopped taking invertase, symptoms got worse. When they started taking it again, symptoms improved. That's encouraging evidence that invertase may help reduce loose stools in some people. But the study has important limitations, and the results don't prove that invertase can fully replace Sucraid. Here's where things get more complicated. The study mainly provides strong evidence for improvements in stool frequency and consistency. Other symptoms like bloating, abdominal pain, gas, and urgency weren't measured in a detailed way. There's also another important difference. Sucraid has been clinically studied, standardized, and approved for treating sucrase deficiency. Invertase has not. That means factors like brand quality, storage conditions, and dosage could all affect how well it works. So while the science behind invertase is biologically sound, we still don't know if a specific invertase supplement will work consistently with every meal. The bottom line, invertase appears promising, especially for loose stools, but current evidence does not prove it's a predictable one-to-one replacement for Sucraid.